Okay, this is Guy on Indy. Again, I'm with Jason Puma at the Indianapolis National Weather Service. What are you showing me now, Jason? This looks interesting.
So this is our main workstation called AWIPS, where we kind of monitor weather conditions and we can issue warnings as well. Yeah. So what we're looking at here, this is a thunderstorm complex out over northern Illinois and eastern Iowa. This morning on June 25th. And you can see that some of these clouds, this is infrared imagery, so it's based on temperature, are coming down and looking across and sweeping into central Indiana. So we're getting some increased clouds as the day goes on. Now I can actually throw up a little bit of some radar data too, so we can sort of see what these storms look like. And as I pull it up here on the monitor, you can see here are the storms on radar as it's going to start looping up here momentarily.
Is that storm going to hit Indianapolis?
We may have a few sprinkles from it, really, but most of this should stay north. So here is the storms out over Chicago, northern Illinois, and it's getting ready to move into the Chicagoland area.
Okay, I have one question. Yeah. Storms, where did they generate? Did they usually come west to east or anywhere?
In the mid-latitudes where we live, generally the flow is, the atmospheric flow is generally west to east. But that's, it can be different.
So Illinois is screwing us usually.
Well, we're usually looking to the west, but that's not always the case. Right. Sometimes we can actually get what we call retrograde flow, where things are moving from east to west, and people are like, this is very odd. Well, it does happen from time to time. So that's something we have to be aware of. So let's just play pretend for a second here.
Okay.
And
I'm gonna should I be on the screen here?
Yeah.
All right.
So let's say my system's working really slow right now.
No problem. It's technology. Yeah. This is amazing because 20 years ago on Twister, they envisioned this kind of setup with computer screens, and it looks like what you see in movies.
Yeah.
Which is very cool to me, man.
So let's say I wanted to issue a tornado warning for Indianapolis because I saw a storm coming. So I could go ahead here, and I'm going to go into my my plot here. And this is a current radar map here for central Indiana. And if my computer would work, let's pretend here, this is Indianapolis, and let's pretend there was a storm here. I could drag the point to the storm, and then I would line it up with the time, and I could get a little box based upon that.
Oh, is that box all the red?
Yep. So if you ever see a radar map and they show you the boxes, there's an example of a box.
Wow.
So if I was potentially issuing a tornado warning or a severe thunderstorm warning, there's the box. If I needed to change it or something, I could change it around and make it a different shape or longer, whatever the case may be. And then I could say, all right, what do I want to issue? I want to issue a tornado warning for 40 minutes, and then I would say create the text.
Okay.
And then over here, we'll get a little warning will pop up.
Oh, wow. This is interesting.
In a second.
So it's more text?
Yeah, it'll be a text warning, essentially. And it'll come up here in just a moment as it's getting processed. So there's the tornado warning.
All right.
And go ahead and enter it. Now, here you can see tornado warning. It's listing the counties that I had in the box and the areas. And based on the tract, it says stuff, 9:02 a.m., severe thunderstorm capable of producing tornadoes over Carmel, moving to the north.
Is that right now?
Well, this is just pretend.
Okay. You said that. You said,
yes,
okay, gotcha.
We're not really,
okay.
Yeah, so if I really wanted to issue that, I would hit the send button.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
We're not going to do that
Guy
right now.
on Indy almost screwed Indianapolis big time.
Because if I
hit that button, we'd be in trouble.
So if I hit the send button right now, which I don't want to do, the sirens will go off, the messages on TV.
Here, push my hand away. Yeah. Push my hand away. Oh, no, I want to push the button. Push the button. Okay.
So.